How to decode SX9 for Citroen. First of all, turn on the 2M to tank CNC key cutting machine. And then connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click a cut by bidding. Search SX9. There are two options. Click the first one. Here is guide picture of key installation. If it's ready, please click OK. And then click Identify. Click Continue. Key biddings appeared. The next is to install the key blank. Confirm the key bidding and click Cut the key.
Please clean the clamp.
It's time to cut the other side. Click SX9A. Watch the guide picture how to install the key. Install the original key and decode the lateral side. Click Continue and click Identify. Go on Continue. The machine is decoding the lateral side. Key bidding's getting ready. Install the key blank and finish cutting. Click Cut. Finish cutting all and compare with the original key. Trying to turn the lock.